Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming a few essentials. Your carrier supports eSIM, and you have the QR code or activation details. Open Settings, tap Cellular, then add Cellular Plan to start scanning the QR or use the carrier app. Do this while on reliable Wi-Fi because activation exchanges data with the carrier. Once done, the iPhone will download the plan. Make sure you watch for prompts to confirm the label and primary versus secondary use, so the phone routes calls correctly. Now you configure how the plan behaves. Label the new eSIM so you can tell it apart and choose which line is default for voice, SMS, and cellular data. Go to Cellular Plans to set primary versus secondary roles and set the line used for iMessage and FaceTime. You can allow cellular data switching so apps use available data automatically. Make sure Wi-Fi calling is enabled if your carrier requires it. These settings control billing and network priority, so adjust them to match your usage. Finish by testing. Place a call, send an SMS, and browse to confirm mobile data. If everything works, decide whether to remove the physical SIM or keep it as a backup. Restart the phone after removal to finalize. If activation fails, reset network settings in Settings General Transfer or reset iPhone, then retry scanning the QR or reinstalling the carrier profile. If problems persist, contact your carrier with the eSIM activation code. This usually resolves provisioning or compatibility issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.